Sure enough, starting over is scary. Nakakatakot magsimula ulit. Nakakapagod magsimula ulit. Imaginein mo asking that new person all over again kung anong favorite color mo, anong paborito mong pagkain, anong paboritong number mo sa electric pan. Diba? Who wants that? Sino ba naman ang gugustuhin magsimula ulit? Wala. Pero alam nyo kung anong mas nakakatakot? Yun yung gigising ka in probably 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, who knows? And you're still begging. Nagmamakaawa ka pa rin sa bare minimum na hindi kayang ibigay ng partner na pinagtiyagaan mo and pinili mong magstay kasi naniniwala kang pwede pa at magbabago pa. Tapos your whole life passed you by. This is a piece of advice that nobody asked for. Kung nakailang subok ka na para baguhin siya at wala pa rin nangyayari, this is your sign. Kahit nakakatakot, kahit nakakapagod, piliin mong magsimula kung ang ibig sabihin naman nito ay magiging masaya ka.